How to fix Telegram not sending verification code on iPhone. On your iPhone, if Telegram is not sending verification code, then you can follow these simple and effective troubleshooting solutions and get your Telegram verification code easily without any trouble. Entering correct phone number. It's easy to enter a wrong phone number accidentally. If that happens, Telegram will send the SMS verification code to the incorrect phone number you've provided. Receive sign-in code via call. If the SMS method still doesn't work, you can receive the code via call. Telegram automatically shows you an option to receive codes via call if you exceed the number of attempts to receive codes via SMS. First, Telegram will try to send the code in-app if it detects Telegram is running on one of your devices. If no devices are active, it will send you an SMS containing the code. If the SMS fails to reach your phone number, you can receive the code via phone call. To access the phone call verification option, tap on the Didn't get the code and select the phone call option. You will receive a phone call from Telegram with your code. Block SMS senders or callers. If you're having trouble receiving the verification codes via call as well, you need to check for the blocked callers. It's possible that you've blocked or silenced unknown callers on your smartphone. If this happens, you may not receive the code via a phone call from Telegram. To disable the Silence Unknown Caller on iPhone, head to Settings, Phone, Silence Unknown Callers. On the next screen, disable the toggle for Silence Unknown Callers. Don't attempt to resend the code too much. Network problems can often lead to SMS delays, hence, if you are not receiving the code via SMS, be patient and wait for a minute. Instead of tapping on the Resend Code option, wait a few minutes and try again. Usually, users tap the Resend the code multiple times, thinking that Telegram will send the code faster, but sometimes the opposite happens and users get to see the too many attempts, please try again later prompt. SIM card has a proper signal. The SIM card is receiving an adequate signal strength. If you're having trouble receiving Telegram verification codes, it could be because of a weak phone signal. Consider moving to an area with better network coverage, as this will help ensure that you receive the SMS codes successfully. Restart. It's possible that a glitch or bug in your phone's operating system conflicts with the network features and prevents an SMS, and once you restart your mobile, then you will receive Telegram verification code. Check SMS settings. If the SMS settings are not correctly configured, no SMS will reach your phone. Since Telegram sends you the code via SMS, it's important to check your phone's SMS settings. You can ask your friend to send an SMS to your phone number. If the SMS doesn't reach your phone, there's something wrong with the SMS settings or incorrect SMS. Telegram on other devices. You can use Telegram on multiple devices at the same time. Users sometimes install Telegram on desktops and forget about it. When they try to sign into their Telegram account on mobile, they don't receive the SMS verification code. This happens because Telegram attempts to send codes on your connected devices in-app first by default. If it finds no active device, it sends the code as an SMS. If you are not receiving Telegram's verification codes on your mobile, you must check whether Telegram sends you the codes on the desktop app. To avoid receiving the code in-app, tap on the Send the code as an SMS option. Reinstall the Telegram app. Many users have claimed to resolve Telegram not sending SMS problem just by reinstalling the app. While reinstallation has no link with Telegram won't send an SMS code error, you can still try it. Reinstallation will install the latest version of Telegram on your phone, which will probably fix Telegram not sending code problem. To uninstall the Telegram app on Android, long press on the Telegram app and select Uninstall. Once uninstalled, open the Google Play Store and install the Telegram app again. Once installed, enter your phone number and sign in.